A very good morning to all my dear students. The subject I'm going to do today is moral formation, and our topic is the little pine tree. Now, this story is a very interesting story. The story is about a pine tree who was never satisfied. Okay, why? Because it had needles. The leaves were in the form of needles, and he never liked it. Okay, he always wished for something better. Okay, so he thought and said, I wish I had golden leaves. First he thought whether he should have golden leaves. So when he in the next morning he found that his wish was granted, and his leaves, they were transformed into shiny golden leaves. But then what happens? A man comes and he plucks off all the golden leaves, and the poor tree becomes very sad. Then he again wished, I wish if my leaves were like glass. His wish was again granted, and the leaves turned into glass. But what happened? In the sun, because of the strong sunlight, okay, and because of the strong sunlight, and one day a storm came and it broke all the glass leaves. Again, the tree became bare, means without any leaves on it. Again, it became sad. Again, it wished, I wish if I had green leaves. What happened then? Again, his wish was granted. The tree's wish was granted, and the tree bare green leaves on it. His wish was granted, and he got whatever he wished. But then what happened? Again, a hungry goat came and ate up all the leaves. Now, what did the pine tree think? What a fool I was. It was better if I had needles on my tree. That was better. At least no one would have harmed me. Is that clear? So the story says that we should be satisfied with whatever God has given us. We should not keep craving for more and more things. Is that clear? So I will read the lesson and likewise explain you. Lesson 9, The Little Pine Tree. There was once a little pine tree deep in the forest. In the forest there was a pine tree. It had needles that were evergreen. Means it had needles on it that were very evergreen. But it was always sad. But it was very sad. Now it said, my needles are not as pretty as leaves. Now what it is saying, my needles were not as pretty as leaves. I wish I had golden leaves. The next morning it found that its wish had been granted. Now next morning his wish was being granted. It had transformed into a shiny golden tree with golden leaves. It transformed from a shiny golden tree into golden leaves. A man passing by saw the golden leaf and started plucking them. A man who was passing from there, he plucked all the leaves. Seeing golden leaves, anyone will go to pluck it. Soon there were no leaves left, and the little pine tree was completely bare. Soon there were no leaves left on the pine tree, and it was completely bare, means not a single leaf was there on the pine tree. Okay, the poor little tree said, I was wrong. He said, I was wrong. I wish I had glass leaves. Now, after golden and shiny leaves, he wanted glass leaves. They would look pretty and no one would steal them. Now, they will look pretty and no one can steal or rob them. Steal means chori karna. The next morning, the tree saw that it was covered with glass leaves. Next morning, again, the wish was fulfilled and it was covered with glass leaves. They sparkled in the sunlight and tinkled gently. They started sparkling in the sunlight, and they were tinkling gently. But one day a storm came and broke all the glass leaves. One day a huge storm came and all the glass leaves were broken. Once again, the little tree was bare. Again, it was bare without any leaves. Okay? Now the little tree said, leaves of gold and grass are pretty. Now it is saying once, now it thought, now leaves of gold and grass are pretty, but I wish, just wish I had green leaves. But it wished now, third time what it wished? Green leaves. First time it wished golden leaves. Then it wished glass leaves. Now it wished green leaves. Again, its wish was granted and it was covered with pretty green leaves. Again, its wish was granted and it was covered with pretty green leaves. But then a hungry goat came and ate up all the leaves. A very hungry goat came and ate up all the green leaves. What a fool I have been. Now, what the pine tree says, what a foolish person I am. Cited the little pine tree. The pine tree is saying, what a foolish person I am. My needles were best for me. Now he's saying what? Now he realizes that the needles were best for him. I wish I could have them back again. Now what he's saying, I wish I could get my needles back again. The little pine tree was granted its wish once again. Once again, it was granted its wish. It got back its needles and it got back its pretty needles. Is that clear? So the story tells us that we should be satisfied with whatever we have, whatever God has given us. We must be satisfied, self-contented. Is that clear? Now I request you all to read this story thoroughly. Is that clear? That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.